Hello, my friends, Hank and apparently Roger here with some breaking news from this wonderful world of scale modeling. We are getting a brand new, if somewhat unexpected, 1/35th scale kit from the good folks over at Tamiya. This week is the Nuremberg International Toy Fair. Now, every year, all the big toy and hobby manufacturers come together and show off some of their new products for the coming year. Last year's event, as some of you may remember, came with some big, exciting announcements from Tamiya, namely their fantastic 1/35th scale German MG team that we've covered extensively on this channel. This year, there's only been one new static military kit unveiling from the company, and it's an interesting one. We are getting a French Hotchkiss H39 light tank. Maybe not one that's on the top of everybody's wish list, but Tamiya never ceases to put out some great, surprising little kits. Keeping up with this new trend of early war releases and following up on Tamiya's Panzer I release last year, the H39 was essentially an upgunned, all-around improved version of the interwar M35 cavalry tank. By the fall of France in 1940, about 1,200 of these H39s were built, and it turns out that they actually performed pretty well during the defense of France. They offered a comparable maneuverability and speed to their Panzer II contemporaries that made up a substantial portion of the Panzer Army at the time, and they offered better armored protection to their crews than the German light tanks. And importantly, the Hotchkiss's 37mm main gun packed a substantially larger punch than the 20mm L35 gun on the Panzer IIs. As you might expect, the Germans quite appreciated these aspects of the H39 and pressed a whole pile of captured vehicles into service as the Panzerkampfwagen 38H735F. Really rolls off the tongue. And these new German Beutepanzers ended up all over the place, on the Eastern Front, in Poland, in Hungary, in Yugoslavia, and later, as became the trend with outdated captured technology, a whole bunch of H39s got the tops chopped off and turned into upgunned Marder tank destroyers. So, this will be kit number 35389. No solid date on exactly when we're going to start seeing it hit shelves, but I can imagine sometime in the next few months here. Looking at the pictures shared on Tamiya's official Instagram accounts, it appears that we'll be getting two marking offerings for this vehicle, one in the original French livery and one in captured German tricolor camouflage. And as a very nice touch, it appears that the kit will come with a modified cupola if you choose to build the German version. As we know, Panzer crews liked getting their own cupolas on all of their captured stuff. This kit will come in 3 big sprues, and a keen eye will note that we're getting 2 figures with this offering. A full-bodied French tanker, and what appears to be a half-bodied German commander in this sneaky, open protected position in the turret of the Beutepanzer. So, what do you guys think? Will you be snagging one of these, or will this be a pass for you? Let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.